Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, the place where we learn, explore, discover professional training. Today we will discuss about 5G problem solving tool. Here we will discuss about what is 5G, description of each 5G examples. So let's start. What is 5G? The 5G framework consists of 5 Japanese terms, each starting with the letter G, and it is used to guide organizations in their pursuit of operational excellence through lean manufacturing and continuous improvement practices. The 5G are GEMBA, the real place. This translates to the real place or the actual place. GEMBA refers to the location where value is created, where work is done, and where problems occur. It emphasizes the importance of going to the actual location to understand the processes, identify inefficiencies, and gather accurate information. GENBUTSU, the real tools pertaining to the GEMBA. This translates to the real tools or the actual equipment. GENBUTSU encourages the use of tangible evidence and physical data from the GEMBA to analyze and understand the current state of processes. By examining the actual tools and equipment, one can gain insights into the efficiency and effectiveness of the work being done. GENJITSU, the real facts which can be obtained only from the GEMBA. This translates to the real facts or the actual data. GENJITSU emphasizes the importance of relying on real data and observations rather than assumptions or opinions. It encourages decision-making based on objective information obtained directly from the GEMBA. GENRI, that explains the principle of operation. This translates to principle or theory. GENRI refers to the principles or theories that explain the operation of processes. Understanding the underlying principles helps in developing a solid foundation for improvement efforts and in making informed decisions. GENSOKU, standardization. This translates to standardization or standard practice. GENSOKU involves establishing standardized procedures and practices based on the principles identified in GENRI. Standardization helps ensure consistency and stability in processes, making it easier to identify and address deviations from the standard. By following the 5G framework, organizations aim to create a culture of continuous improvement, where problems are addressed at the source, GEMBA, using real tools and data, guided by principles, and ultimately leading to standardized practices for ongoing efficiency and effectiveness. Next, what is GEMAB? GEMBA, the first G is called as GEMBA. GEMBA is a combination of two Japanese words GEM and BA. Roughly translated, GEMBA means a raised platform. Just as a raised platform draws attention of one and all, the GEMBA should draw attention of one and all. Or in other words, GEMBA means the real place where the value is added, where the problems are resolved, where the work is happening. The GEMBA is the location where the incident actually occurred, at the source of the problem, which may not be where the majority of the losses occurred. Whenever there is a problem or an abnormality, the first thing we need to do is to go to the GEMBA. It is especially important for the members of the team that is assigned to resolve the problem. GEMBA is a fundamental concept in lean thinking that emphasizes the value of directly observing and understanding the real work environment to improve processes and solve problems effectively. Next, what is GENBUTSU? GENBUTSU, the second G, is known as GENBUTSU. This is also termed as Genchi GENBUTSU, loosely translated means go see. While at the GEMBA, the team should examine the equipment parts and materials that were associated with the problem or the failed equipment. At times, there could be instances where the problematic parts would have been removed as to keep the line running even before the team arrives on the GEMBA. However, the team should insist on all the parts pertaining to the place for a detailed study which could explain how the failure had happened. In summary, GENBUTSU emphasizes the significance of physically going to the location, GEMBA, and directly examining the tangible elements, equipment, parts, materials associated with a problem or process. This approach provides valuable insights for problem solving and continuous improvement initiatives. Next, what is GENJITSU? GENJITSU, the third G is GENJITSU. GENJITSU refers to data and facts around the area of concern. In this step, the team must gather all the data available about the 4Ms, precisely say, process, equipment and materials before and after the condition of the problem. These data will assist the team in linking the facts behind the evidence that the team sees and what had happened. While collecting the data, ensure the team includes the variable control data from the line, collect the real facts after having informal chat with the GEMBA owners at the time of the failure or problem occurred. In summary, GENJITSU focuses on the collection of data and facts surrounding the area of concern. By systematically gathering information about the 4Ms and engaging with GEMBA owners, the team can build a more accurate picture of what happened, enabling them to make informed decisions for improvement. Next, what is GENRI? GENRI, the fourth G, represents GENRI. GENRI refers to principles. Prior to attending to resolve an abnormality or a problem, one should be aware of the principle of operation. This would help the problem solvers to do the root cause analysis in the right perspective. This is because knowing the operational principle would help the team discriminate the current condition from the ideal condition. The gaps will be clearly seen, without which, at times, the problem solvers will be groping in dark and could be misled too. In summary, GENRI emphasizes the importance of understanding the principles that govern the operation of a system or process. This understanding serves as a foundation for effective. Next, what is GENSOKU? GENSOKU, the fifth G, is GENSOKU. GENSOKU refers to standards and parameters. There could be a possibility that the equipment failed because of deviations from the standards, more importantly the method standard. The GEMBA owner might be unaware of the standard operating procedures. The one-point lessons were not made or not providing clarity. The standard parameter chart was missing, and the operator had set wrong parameters. In short, the actions or wrong actions of the operator might lead to the problem. Verifying the standards, SOPs, OPLs, job instructions, EIAs, element instruction sheets, enables the team identify the origin of the problem. Once the problem is resolved, the team should also ensure that the standards are revised accordingly as to prevent the recurrence. In summary, GENSOKU underscores the importance of standards and parameters in preventing and addressing problems. It highlights the need for clear documentation, adherence to established procedures, and post-resolution actions to update standards for continuous improvement and prevention of recurrence. Conclusion. GEMBA. Actual place. Go to the spot, the workplace, the place where event actually happens. GENBUTSU. Actual things. Examine the object, the actual equipment, materials, products and other physical objects actually involved in an event. Genjitsu. Actual facts. Check facts figures the phenomenon, what actually happened, what you can actually observe with your own eyes, without any preconceived ideas about it. GENRI. Principles refer to the theory. Principles, physical and or chemical. GENSOKU. Standards parameters. Follow-up of standards parameters, physical values. Next, see an example in manufacturing industry. Scenario: a manufacturing plant produces automotive components, and the quality control team has identified a recurring issue with a specific part, leading to an increased number of defective products. As per 5G principle. First is GEMBA, the real place. The quality control team visits the manufacturing line where the defective parts are produced. Purpose of GEMBA: by being at the actual location, GEMBA, the team observes the production process, identifies where defects are occurring, and understands the challenges faced by the machine operators. Second is GENBUTSU, the real tools. The team examines the machinery, tools, and materials associated with the production of the defective parts. Purpose of GENBUTSU: directly interacting with the tools and materials. GENBUTSU, the team gains insights into potential issues such as machine malfunctions, tool wear, or the use of substandard materials. Third is GENJITSU, the real facts. The team collects data on the production parameters, machine settings, and defect rates before and after adjustments. Purpose of Genjitsu: gathering real facts. Genjitsu helps the team understand the current state of the production processes, identify trends, and correlate data with the occurrence of defects. Fourth is GENRI principles. The team reviews the operational principles governing the manufacturing process for the specific part, including machine specifications and production standards. Purpose of GENRI: understanding the principles. GENRI helps in discerning deviations from the ideal manufacturing standards. It provides a theoretical foundation for identifying root causes. Fifth is GENSOKU: standards and parameters. The team verifies the machine settings, production parameters, and quality standards for the specific part. Purpose of GENSOKU: checking adherence to standards. GENSOKU helps identify if defects are caused by deviations from established norms. It ensures that the production processes align with standard operating procedures. Lastly, resolution and continuous improvement. The team makes adjustments to machine settings, replaces worn-out tools, and conducts additional training for machine operators. Continuous improvement efforts involve monitoring defect rates, conducting regular maintenance, and updating production standards based on the insights gained through the 5G framework. In this example, the 5G framework enables the manufacturing team to systematically identify and address issues in the production process, leading to a reduction in defective products and improved overall product quality. Next, let's see an example of service industry. A customer service team has been receiving an increasing number of complaints about delays in resolving customer issues. The team is tasked with improving the efficiency of their support processes. First is GEMBA, the real place. The customer service team physically visits the support center where customer issues are handled. Purpose of GEMBA: by being at the actual location, GEMBA, the team observes how customer issues are being addressed, identifies bottlenecks, and understands the challenges faced by the support agents. Second is GENBUTSU, the real tools. The team examines the tools and systems used by support agents to handle customer issues. Purpose of GENBUTSU, directly interacting with the tools and systems. GENBUTSU, the team gains insights into potential issues such as outdated software, inefficient workflows, or the need for additional training. Third is GENJITSU, the real facts. The team collects data on the time taken to resolve customer issues, the number of escalations, and customer feedback before and after process changes. Purpose of GENJITSU, gathering real facts. GENJITSU helps the team understand the current state of the support processes, identify trends, and correlate data with customer complaints. Fourth is GENRI principles. The team reviews the principles governing effective customer service, including response time targets, escalation procedures, and customer communication standards. Purpose of GENRI, understanding the principles. GENRI helps in discerning deviations from the ideal customer service standards. It provides a theoretical foundation for identifying root causes. Fifth is GENSOKU, standards and parameters. The team verifies the standards and procedures in place for handling customer issues, including response time targets and resolution protocols. Purpose of GENSOKU, checking adherence to standards. GENSOKU helps identify if delays are caused by deviations from established norms. It ensures that support agents are following standard operating procedures. Lastly, resolution and continuous improvement. The team implements changes to streamline workflows, updates software tools, and provides additional training to support agents. Continuous improvement efforts involve monitoring customer satisfaction, response times, and ongoing feedback to iterate on the 5G framework for sustained improvements. In this example, the 5G framework helps the customer service team identify and address issues in their processes, leading to improved efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching this video. Join us on the Fast Career Growth channel. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Feel